how are you? I hope that you guys are enjoying my reviews. Please feel free to leave your feedback in the comment section below. Today I will review Biotique Botanicals Bio Kajal. I'm using this kajal from last 1 month. Even right now also my eye makeup is done using this Biotique Botanical Bio Kajal. Even for my liner also I've used the same kajal. I haven't used any separate liner both for my upper lash line as well as for my lower lash line. And you can see that this kajal has been able to give my eyes really nice and defined look. I'm sure that you guys must have heard a lot about Biotique Botanicals, so I don't need to introduce the brand to you. This brand tries to bring best of the products, use best of the ingredients in their products, and following the same pattern they have developed this kajal as Bio Kajal. This is a herbal kajal, this is a Bio Kajal. Biotique Botanicals kajal comes in this flap. Right now I have removed this bullet. So this is the bullet, this is the black color shiny bullet, and this is the flap in which this bullet was stored. This was stored here. This flap contains all the relevant information that you need to know about this Bio Kajal. This bullet is really stylish and really classy. This is really a shiny bullet and it looks really good in my makeup kit. Like, I carry this to my work every day. You can easily like twist this and use, and also this cap is really tight, and once you like close, it closes with a click. This is really good because I've used like similar kind of packaging kajals before and they used to like create mess in my bags. Trust me, like I literally whenever I used to like put my hand in the makeup kit, my hand used to like turn black because of the bad packaging. But right, I'm so happy with this packaging that keeps the bullet intact and it doesn't create any mess in my bag. Packaging wise, I'm really happy with this bullet. You can easily carry it around in the bag and it will not create any kind of mess. I wear kajal every day to work and I prefer using herbal kajal. This is a Bio Kajal, this is a herbal kajal. So let me tell you like what does it contain. It contains badam tel, which is 10% of the ingredient, behra fruit, harar fruit, amla fruit, mulethi root, kapoor oil, anjan powder and kajal powder. And yes, there is an ointment base as well. Biotique hasn't put many claims on their kajal. Other than saying that it's a herbal kajal and dark intense kajal, they haven't said anything about it being like smudge proof or waterproof. This kajal is really effective in giving you dark intense look. Right now you can see from my eyes, it glides really easily. I was able to apply on both my upper lash line as well as lower lash line without any effort, and on lower lash line I just applied like one time and it was able to give me that dark color, that jet black color look. Generally, a lot of herbal kajals are not at all smudge proof or waterproof kajals, and similarly this kajal is also not smudge proof or waterproof. So in every 2 hours I need touch up, I need to check for the smudges. If there are any smudges, then I use a tissue to clean those smudges so that my eyes look clean and clear. And yes, I have to, since it smudges a lot, so I have to actually apply this kajal like twice a day. Like suppose if I'm out for work for 9 hours, so approximately by lunchtime I reapply this kajal and give my eyes really nice look. I haven't faced any kind of irritation after using this kajal. I've been using for more than a month and I'm really happy, and overall I would say like it was a satisfactory experience. This is not at all an expensive kajal. Normally you get herbal kajals for like 150 to 200 rupees. I've also purchased like one herbal kajal I purchased it for like 250. So if I would say comparing to those, like this is decently priced. So I'm so happy about this kajal, because if you go for non-herbal kajal like local drugstore kajal, then you might end up paying like say maybe 50 rupees, but this you are getting for 109 rupees. So I think it's really good option. Finally, I'm summing up the review. It's a nice kajal, it's a dark intense kajal, it's a herbal kajal. This is decently priced and it comes in really nice and classy packaging. The only point which is not good about this kajal is that it is not smudge proof or waterproof. But trust me, like you go for any herbal kajals, they are not smudge proof or waterproof because these chemicals are normally added in the kajal to make it smudge proof or waterproof. So if you are someone who is really into herbal kajals and bio kajals, and this product is for you, you can try this product. Overall, I will give this product a rating of 3.5 out of 5. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.